Hi, hello viewers. In this video, I would like to explain about formatting text in Microsoft Word. First of all, let us see what is the use of this formatting to the text. To make our document effective and more attractive, so we are using this formatting to the text. To make our document or to present our document effective and more attractive, so we are going for formatting to the text. Now let us see one by one. Here, see here, formatting text, change case, highlight, color, font, font size, font style, font color and clear formats. So these all are the formats which we can apply to our text. Now let us see one by one. The first one is change case. Change case is nothing but, see here I am taking a paragraph. See here I have taken a paragraph. Okay, the first format, change case. Now let us see what is change case. Here I have taken a paragraph. Observe here, this paragraph contains small letters and big letters. Okay, change case is nothing but converting small letters into big letters into small letters, sentence case letters, toggle case letters. All these things are in change case. See here, change case option is available in, see here, change case option is available in here, this one. This is the change case option. In home tab, in font group, we will see this change case. So this option, okay, this is called as the change case. See here, so whenever you click on this change case, you will observe, see here, you will observe 5 options. Okay, sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word, toggle case. Now let us see one by one. So what is first one? Sentence, let us see one by one. First of all, let us see lower case. Lower case means already this paragraph in lower case only. Let us see about upper case. Okay, see, upper case means all these small case letters are converted into upper case. See here, click on upper case. See here, so now this paragraph contains all capital letters only. So now I want to convert into all small case letters or lower case. Click here change case option and click on lower case. You observe here all the starting letter, every letter is converted into small letter, means lower case letter. Starting of the paragraph also, every letter is converted into the lower case letter. Okay, now let us see what is sentence case. Sentence case means in English, while writing the paragraph, the first letter should be uppercase letter, but here you observe this is not the uppercase letter, this is the lowercase letter, small letter. So sentence case is nothing but, in English, while writing, while starting the paragraph, we have to write with the uppercase letter. Okay, we are writing a sentence means we have to write with the big letter or uppercase letter. So see here, sentence case, the starting letter will be uppercase. You observe here, see here, after full stop also, here also the sentence is started with capital letter, here also capital letter, here also capital letter, here also capital letter. The sentence case is nothing but whenever we are starting a new sentence means we have to start with the capital letter. Okay, this is about sentence case. And the next one here is capitalize each word. Capitalize each word means in this paragraph how many words are there, for each and every word the starting letter should be the capital letter. That is, we are calling as capitalize each word. Observe here. Okay, For each word in this paragraph, the starting letter will be the capital letter. About this option, see here. See here, for each and every word, the starting letter is capital letter. This is about the capitalize each word. So then what about toggle case? Toggle case is nothing but the starting letter of each word is small letter and remaining all letters are big letters. See here. You observe here. Okay. Starting letter of each word is small letter, remaining all are big letters or uppercase letters. Okay. So this is all about change case. Okay. Change case. Next one. In our formatting text, the next one is text highlight color. Text highlight color. See here, in this paragraph, we have 7 lines. In this paragraph, we have 8 lines, for example. In that, I want to highlight the third line. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Complete 7 to 8 lines are there. In that, I want to highlight the third line of this paragraph. So for that, we have to use the option text highlight color. Select this one, and for highlight, which color you want to use here. Text highlight color. Here is the option. See here, text highlight color. This is the option. Text highlight color. Okay. See here, I am choosing which color. For example, pink color. You observe here. See, the third line is highlighting this text. Okay, so this is about text highlight color, means automatically we can highlight the text. For that, we have to select the text and click on this option, that is called as text highlight color. This is also in font group of home tab. Okay, right. And the third one is font. You observe here, and the third one is font. Font. What is meant by font? A font is a collection of alphanumerical characters. A font is a collection of alphanumerical characters. So this is a font. Okay, this is a font. See here, in font group only, in home tab font group, this option we are calling as the font. See here, this option we are calling as the font. This option, this one. Okay. In font, we will observe so number of different types of fonts. So depending upon our requirement, we can go with any font. For example, if now this font name is here, you observe Times New Roman. This font name is Times New Roman. I want to change this font. Select the font and click this drop down arrow button. You observe the changes here. This is the Times New Roman font. This is Arial block, black, Calibri, Algerian. These all are the font names. Arial. You observe the changes here. See. So, which font you want? Just click on that one. See here. Okay. So, this is about font. Okay. So what is our next formatting? Font size. Font size means, you observe here, this is the font size. So this is the font size. You observe here, here is 14. That means the size of this font is 14. The size of this font is 14. So now I want to increase the size of the font. See here, here I am increasing the font. See here, 18. So now you type automatically, this is the font size 18. Suppose I want to increase again 24. See, observe it. Okay, font size is nothing but, so we can increase the character size here. Okay, right. So next one is font style. Font style. In font style, if you observe, we have 3 in font style. 3. The first one is bold, second one is italic, and third one is underline. These three comes under font style. You observe here, this is the paragraph and this is the heading. In textbook, if you observe clearly, for headings and subheadings, the font will be very thick. The font is very thick in color. That can be applied with the help of this bold. See here, this is the paragraph and this is the heading. The heading should be somewhat thickness I want. Okay. For that purpose, I am selecting the text and click on bold. You observe here. This is different and this is different. It is the thickness of these characters are high when compared to these characters. Bold is nothing but, so whenever we want to give headings or subheadings, we have to give in bold. See here like this. And the second one is italic. Second one is italic. So whenever we want to emphasize a word or a phrase in a sentence or a paragraph, so we have to go for italic. See here, pictures, charts are there na, or diagrams. These three words I want to give italic. Okay, just click on italic. Now you observe the changes here. Okay, see here. Okay, this is about italic. Okay, italic is nothing but to emphasize a word or a phrase. Okay, so we have to go for the italic. To remove this effect italic, again we have to click on italic. Okay, if we want italic, select the text and click on italic. If suppose we want to remove that italic or bold also, again we have to click on that option. Okay, if we want bold means click like this. If you want to remove also, you have to click on this option like this, italic, remove. Okay, so underline. For headings, we sometimes for headings we will keep underline. See, for example, here galleries is there na, I want to underline for this word. Just click here. You observe here, automatically underline here. So if you type anything, automatically underline also come. If you want to remove this underline means just select it and click on this underline. See. Okay, so this is about font style. Okay, next one is font color. See here, font means this is the font, a collection of alphanumerical we are calling as font. Here the font color is black, so I want to change the font color. For example, these two lines only, select the two lines and this is the font color option in font group of Home tab. Click this drop down arrow button and click on this red color. See, if you want to change this one means click here and click like this. In this way we can change the font color also. Okay, right? Suppose if you want total complete, I want to change the complete paragraph with different color. Select the complete paragraph, click here and which color you want. For example, this color. Yes, click here. Again, if you want black means click on the first option, black. Okay, so this is about font color. And the next one is clear formats. Clear formats. So clear formats is nothing but we are clearing all the formats. For example, see here I have applied bold. Suppose for this up to here I am applying italic. Observe here, and for this line I am applying underline, for example, underline, and for here to here I am giving the red color. See here I have applied some formats to this paragraph. Okay, right. So what is the purpose of this option clear formats? Means I want to remove all the formats which I have applied to this paragraph. Here I have applied bold. See here I have applied bold. Here I have applied color. For this one I have applied underline. So I want my normal text. Okay, normal text means there is no color, there is no underline, there is no bold. Okay, so for that I want to remove all the formats which I have applied. For that, this is the option we have to click. See here, so this one, this is called as the clear formats. So whenever you click on this option, it removes all the formats which you have applied to your paragraph or your word or a sentence. Okay, just click on this select, okay, and click on this clear formats. See here, all the formats are clear. Okay, so this is all about formatting text. Okay, so if you have any queries or doubts regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thank you so much for watching this video.